This fog has been intense. I was driving to Hazen the other day for my shoot and I was just gripping the steering wheel the whole time. I was very happy when my feet touched ground again, I gotta say, yes.
Yeah, you do have to be cautious on the roadways. There are going to be a couple more nights here of this dense fog before we do see some more sunshine, as we will be introducing that rain and snow by the mid to later portions of the week as well. So some active weather here to keep tabs of, but the drizzle and dense fog will continue tonight with these temperatures already dropping slightly below freezing in Jamestown, Devils Lake. So we have to watch these temperatures carefully for some isolated areas of freezing drizzle and therefore some slick spots tomorrow morning. But that southeast wind pumping in all of this moisture, condensing into the fog and forming some of this drizzle. Moisture transport coming up from the southeast here right into our region. But if we look off to the west, we do have a system coming on shore to California, and that'll impact us later in the week. More details on that in a few minutes, but just for the near term here into tonight, the widespread cloud cover, the fog will continue, as we'll see temperatures tomorrow rise a little bit higher because we will see some sunshine. That's some good news, especially for southern North Dakota. Northern North Dakota, I think some of those low clouds will hang tough, but we will see temperatures rise into the mid to upper 40s to near 50 degrees for your Monday, some peaks of afternoon sun. Similar story for Tuesday, morning fog, a bit of afternoon sun with high temperatures in the 40s to near 50 degrees. Here's that system coming on shore to California, producing a lot of flooding in California today, but it'll track into Colorado and then slice up into the central and northern plains. A couple of different tracks that this system could take, and the exact track that it does take really dictates how much snow or rain that we do get. The northern track would bring a little bit more moisture into our region and therefore increase the snowfall amounts for northern and western North Dakota. So here's the timeline. Hour by hour, we go into our Wednesday afternoon. Snow first develops in the northwest with warm air still in place, therefore rain showers in southern and eastern North Dakota. But as temperatures drop Wednesday night, snow pushes off to the east, and we could have some pockets of heavier snow across northern North Dakota into Thursday morning as that snow overspreads much of the first warn viewing area through the day on Thursday. That'll be the highest impact day for seeing some impacts to travel as a north-northwest wind develops between 10 and 25 miles per hour. The cold air winning out with the rain pushing off to the east as that low pressure departs on Friday. Some snow showers could linger before they do dissipate later in the day. The precipitation forecast for rain and melted snow shows a quarter to maybe just over a half of an inch, and that's a little bit more reliable at this lead time, but we can talk about some snowfall probabilities. More than 3 inches of snow, a much higher likelihood for Williston and Minot, even over towards Dickinson, lesser chances for Bismarck and Jamestown because the rain will last a little bit longer there. 6-inch plus probabilities of snow, not terribly high right now, but those could increase as we get closer to the storm. Focusing on the 3-inch plus probability, again, highest across the north as well as over towards northeast Montana. Lesser chances of seeing 3 inches plus of snow as we go to the south and east. Winds will shift from the east to be to the northwest as we go through that storm Wednesday through Friday. Gusts upwards of about 25 miles per hour. So the pattern change is in the works here, Emmeline. The next couple of days, we'll have the fog in the morning, some peaks of sun in the afternoon. So that's some good news with those mild temperatures. Then temperatures decrease as everything transitions to snow on Thursday, and then we'll be near 30 degrees for next weekend after the storm.
Okay, so we got some rain, we got some fog, we got some snow, we got some sun.
Oh yeah, mixed bag of everything.
Yeah, it's North Dakota weather.
We'll keep you prepared.
Yeah, all right.